Are you tired of popping pills for high blood pressure and clogged arteries? What if I told you that tiny seeds could be your new best friends? Yep, you heard that right. Seeds, those little things you probably ignore, can be game changers for your heart. Today, we're diving into the world of 7 amazing seeds that not only taste good, but also do wonders for your heart. So buckle up and get ready for a seed-tastic journey to a healthier you. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on all the juicy health tips we've got lined up for you. Seed number 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients that your body and heart will love. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol levels. These tiny seeds also contain a good amount of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, chia seeds are a great source of protein and antioxidants, which can help repair cells and fight off free radicals. So, how do these nutrients translate into heart health? Well, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help reduce inflammation in the arteries, making it easier for blood to flow, thereby reducing the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. The fiber content helps to sweep away bad cholesterol, keeping your arteries clear and improving overall heart health. The antioxidants and protein further support cellular health, including that of your heart muscles. Now, you might be wondering how to include these tiny wonders into your meals. The good news is that chia seeds are incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle them on top of your yogurt or oatmeal for breakfast. They also make a great addition to smoothies, giving them an extra nutritional kick. For lunch or dinner, consider adding them to your salads or even as a crunchy topping on a stir-fry. Seed number 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are another gem when it comes to nutritional value. They are high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. Just like chia seeds, these nutrients make flax seeds an excellent choice for heart health. Several studies have shown the positive impact of flax seeds on heart health. One study found that consuming 30 grams of flax seeds daily for a month lowered bad cholesterol levels by 15%. Another study showed that the alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, in flax seeds was associated with a decreased risk of heart attacks. These studies make a compelling case for including flax seeds in a heart-healthy diet. Flax seeds can be used in a variety of ways in your kitchen. One popular method is to add ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie. The nutty flavor pairs well with fruits and vegetables. You can also mix them into homemade bread or muffins for an added nutritional boost. If you're a fan of oatmeal, stirring in some flax seeds can make your breakfast even heartier. For those who enjoy savory dishes, flax seeds can be sprinkled on top of salads or used as a crust for grilled fish or chicken. Seed number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a tasty snack. They're a nutritional goldmine. These seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. They also contain iron, which is essential for oxygen transport in the blood. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are a good source of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, and fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate cholesterol levels. Magnesium is often overlooked, but it's vital for heart health. It helps regulate blood pressure and is involved in energy production. A deficiency in magnesium has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, irregular heartbeat, and even heart attacks. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and thus lower blood pressure. This makes it a key player in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. You can eat them raw or roast them for a crunchy snack. They also make a great topping for salads, adding a bit of crunch and flavor. If you're into baking, consider adding them to your bread or muffin recipes. They can even be blended into smoothies or used as a garnish for soups. The possibilities are endless. Seed number 4. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds may be small, but they pack a big nutritional punch. They are rich in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, both of which are beneficial for heart health. These fats are known to improve cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats are the good kinds of fats that your body needs. They help lower levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, commonly known as bad cholesterol, while increasing high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol. By doing so, they reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, which can lead to heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Sesame seeds are commonly used in various cuisines and can be easily incorporated into your diet. They can be sprinkled over salads for added crunch and flavor. You can also use them in stir-fries or as a coating for chicken or fish. If you're a fan of Asian cuisine, sesame seeds are a key ingredient in making tahini, a paste used in hummus and other Middle Eastern dishes. Another simple way to enjoy sesame seeds is to toast them and add them to your yogurt or oatmeal. Seed number 5. Sunflower seeds. Let's start with the nutritional profile of sunflower seeds. These tiny kernels are packed with healthy fats and vitamin E. The healthy fats include both polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-healthy properties. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to fight off free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to heart disease. Now, you might be wondering, what does the science say? Multiple studies have shown that sunflower seeds are linked to lower rates of cardiovascular disease. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals who consumed sunflower seeds had a lower risk of developing heart disease compared to those who didn't. The high content of healthy fats in sunflower seeds has been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of arterial plaque buildup. And here's something you might not know. Sunflower seeds are actually the fruits of the sunflower plant. That's right. Each sunflower head contains numerous tiny fruits, each encasing a seed. So the next time you munch on them, remember you're enjoying a fruit in seed form. Seed number 6. Black cumin seeds. Moving on to black cumin seeds, these are not your average seeds. They come with a host of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make black cumin seeds particularly effective in reducing plaque formation in the arteries. Plaque buildup can lead to narrowed arteries, which is a significant risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. The anti-inflammatory properties of black cumin seeds help in reducing inflammation in the arterial walls, making them less susceptible to plaque deposition. So, how can you incorporate black cumin seeds into your diet? These seeds have a slightly bitter, peppery flavor, making them a versatile addition to various dishes. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt, or even add them to your smoothies. If you're into baking, consider adding ground black cumin seeds to your bread or muffins. Some people also like to brew them into a tea. Seed number 7. Celery seeds. Let's talk about a seed that has been a staple in Eastern medicine for centuries: celery seeds. These tiny brown seeds are packed with essential nutrients like magnesium, iron, phosphorus, calcium, and manganese. Each of these minerals plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, but they are particularly beneficial for the heart. Magnesium, for instance, is known to help regulate blood pressure levels. It relaxes the blood vessels, allowing for smoother blood flow, which is essential for preventing heart-related issues. Iron is vital for the production of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, including to the heart. Phosphorus and calcium work in tandem to strengthen bones, but they also help in regulating heart rhythms. Manganese, although required in smaller amounts, aids in the formation of connective tissues and helps in calcium absorption, both of which are important for cardiovascular health. In Eastern medicine, celery seeds have been used to treat a variety of ailments, from flu to bronchitis. While these traditional uses are noteworthy, the modern-day applications of celery seeds are particularly focused on heart health. Recent studies have shown that the polyphenols in celery seeds are linked to a reduction in the rate of heart diseases. These polyphenols act as antioxidants, reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. So, how can you incorporate celery seeds into your daily diet? They can be used as a spice to add flavor to soups, stews, and salads. You can also find celery seed extract in supplement form, which provides a concentrated dose of all its beneficial nutrients. There you have it. We've explored 7 incredible seeds that can help you keep that ticker ticking smoothly. From the omega-rich chia seeds to the antioxidant-packed black cumin seeds, each one brings its own set of benefits to the table. So why not make these seeds a staple in your pantry? Your heart will thank you, and hey, your taste buds won't complain either. So which of these seeds are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fabulous.